RevoBeauty is industry's leading formulator and manufacturer of innovative beauty and personal care products. Our 100,000 square feet safety and hygienic standards facility with pharmaceutical GMP purification level workshop is located in Baiyuan District, 40 minutes drive from International Airport. With over 10 years of manufacturing knowledge and experience, we provide complete turnkey services, specializing in research and development, custom formulation, contract manufacturing, and private label. We offer stock formulas as well as custom formulations, including skincare, body care, hair care, and professional use, by naturally derived and active ingredients. Each formula is researched and developed by a team of highly skilled chemists, applying the strictest quality standards, even tailored to your specifications. Our batching process is flexible and scalable to meet both small and large customers' needs. Featuring hydraulic temperature control and vacuum mixing tanks to produce an accurate, consistent temperature and maintain process control from emulsion to production. Environmentally friendly by utilize compressed air and deionized water tank system to ensure the highest purity of any elements that may come in contact with products. Over the years, we have built credibility by providing safe, assured, reliable skincare products to aesthetic salons and wholesale to distributor clients. We address your concerns by providing in-depth knowledge and solution to expedite your product development with competitive price. RevoBeauty is a solution to all of your personal care products. Together, we bring your ideas to life.